We live in the digital era. There is information everywhere, every time. We do not have to ask anyone for any suggestion, go to any library to get some knowledge, or even go to a shop to buy something because everything we need is virtually so near to us at our fingertips. While this is a great facility, this also has taken away so many things from us. One of those things we are losing in this digital evolution is creativity, the ability to create something. We are constantly bombarded with so much of information that we cannot stop ourselves from consuming it. This has affected the humans of all age groups, kids being no exception, who need some kind of digital entertainment for eating, playing, etc. Consuming too much information makes us so overwhelmed in a negative way that we slowly lose our creative thinking ability due to this. Because we cannot even sit without consuming the information and think for a while or talk to ourselves or our loved ones. Our mental and physical health is no exception here. We face so many health issues as we are just confined to our devices with less mobility. We sometimes get depressed or feel low thinking that the life of others is colorful than ours without even knowing the reality behind it. It's actually wonderful that everything is becoming so smooth and quick due to the digital content and facilities. But we need to understand that too much of anything is bad, because if we have to get some information, before asking our friends, we are asking our phones. If we need to learn to cook something, again our phones are taking the role of our moms. So I think we need to draw a line where some creative part of ourselves can show its magic. We just need to give a chance to our brain sometimes to create the ideas, thoughts of its own, without preloading it with some ready-made data. With this, our creative thinking ability and imagination power increases. Just explore or try the things which you love in your own way. No distractions, no scrolling, no comparison. Create your own thoughts, your own tune, or just create some happiness in yourselves or in someone else's heart. This gives you a lot of satisfaction. We need to sometimes let ourselves enjoy our own company, talk to ourselves so that we can understand ourselves better. Today, many people feel lonely or depressed very quickly. This is because we do not understand ourselves. We do not know what we want, or we are not able to enjoy our own company. By spending some time and having a conversation with ourselves, we can have a happy relationship with our own mind, which is very, very important. Because if our mind is happy, it will create happy feelings, and if it is not, it definitely creates negativity, jealousy, boredom, etc. So let's keep it calm and happy. By creating more, we are giving ourselves more time with a feel of satisfaction. With this, we bond with ourselves more and more and be happy with ourselves. We do not have to stop consuming every information and just sit and do some artistic work always. This is not needed and is also not possible for everyone. It It is also a very good idea to sometimes stop looking at what others are doing or checking how happy or successful they are, because happiness or success can neither be measured nor be compared. Instead, we need to work to create our own path or our own plan towards success and happiness. With this, we will not tend to have any inclination towards seeing others' lives and being sad unnecessarily. Several times we get into situations where we have to wait for someone or something. Observing the people and surroundings and having some conversation while we are waiting is another great way to cut off unnecessary consumption. By choosing not to comfortably stick to our mobiles, we learn patience, get to know people, and also can learn many other things about the surrounding environment. At the end, I just want to say that consuming is good and beneficial, but by constantly consuming without any intention and necessity, we lose our creative thinking ability, get false opinions about outside world, and finally may lose ourselves in the digital crowd. So choose to create more, try to be with and enjoy with yourselves, and do the things that matters to you in your own way, and definitely look for help whenever it's required. I also want to mention that whenever you consume some information which is helpful for you, giving it some appreciation is also a great way to create some motivation and a big smile in the heart of the person who has put some effort in creating it, isn't it? So please go ahead and do it for this video if you find it helpful. I will meet you with a new video. Take care. Bye.